Hi everyone, my name is Sakshi and here I am with my third task of graduate rational internship program. So the problem was to perform exploratory data analysis on dataset sample store. So I have created a dashboard using Power BI. So let's start the explanation. Exploratory data analysis retail. So first chart, here is the first paragraph showing sales versus subcategory by category. So in subcategory phone of category technology got a sale of 33,000. Second subcategory chair of category furniture got sale of 32,000, and subcategory supplies of category office supplies got least number of sales. Here is a second bar graph showing the sales in each state. So California with maximum number of sales of 45,000, followed by New York of sale 31,000. Here is the fourth line chart showing the profit gain at each sale. So this shows that we got a maximum number of profit of 8,000 at a sale of 17,000. Now fourth chart showing profit at each discount. So this shows that we are not getting a good profit on discount, so we should not give discount on our products. Here fifth chart, bar chart showing sales versus ship mode. So first ship mode of standard class of category furniture got a sale of 8,000. Then ship mode standard class of category office supplies sales 8,000. Ship mode standard class category of technology sales 22,000. Ship mode second class of category furniture got sales of 1,000. Ship mode second class category of office supply sales 4,000. Ship mode of second class category technology got a sales of 32,000, and first class as follows. So this shows the sales of on each ship mode of each category. Now scatter plots. These scatter plots are of subcategory between quantity versus sales, sales versus profit, profit versus discount, quantity versus discounts. Now here are the two bar graphs of sales from every segment of United States of whole data. So subcategory versus count of sales. In binder subcategory, segment consumer got maximum sales, followed by corporate, followed by home. So in this chart, this shows that segment consumer got maximum sales, then corporate, and then home office. So now second chart, discount on category from every segment of United States of whole data. So this shows that segment consumer got maximum discount, followed by corporate, followed by home office. So binder of subcategory binder segment consumer count of discount was 780, followed by the subcategory paper of segment consumer count of discount was 693. Now sale from every region of United States of whole data set. So in this paragraph, office supply of region south got a sale of 99.5, followed by furniture, then technology. Now in North region, office supply got maximum sales. Again, now in Central and West, also office supply got maximum sales. Now pie consumption pattern of the United States. In United States, subcategory copier got maximum profit, followed by phones and table got a negative profit, or we can say a loss. So this shows a profit gain in United States at each subcategory. Here the pie chart shows count of subcategory by category. So binder got maximum sales, and this second pie chart shows profit by state. So in California state we got a profit of 76,000, followed by New York with a profit of 74,000. This map shows average of discount in each region of United States. So this dark region shows the average discount. This state is Texas of average with an average discount of 0.37. State Colorado average discount 0.32, and this green region shows as it doesn't got any discount. So from the above data visualization and clustering, we can see that in which state and in which category sales and profit are high or less. We can improve in the state by providing discount in the preferred range so that the company and the consumer both will be in profit. So for deciding that range, we have to do some technical analysis. One can do it through factor analysis or also can do it through neural networks. One thing we must notice that while the superstore is incurring loss due to giving discount on its product, they can't stop giving discount on their products. Most of the heavy discount are during festive end of season and clearance sales which are necessary so that the store can make space in their warehouse for fresh stocks. Also, by incurring small losses, the company gain in the future by attracting more long-term consumer. Therefore, the small losses from discount are essential part of company's business. So, thank you.